It's now possible to synchronize your appointment states to your RO statuses when you make either selection. Click on Status Map to open the Status Mapping Editor. Entries may be created starting either with appointment states or RO statuses, ultimately creating relationships that will improve accuracy and efficiency. By clicking Add, you can create a new mapping in just a few seconds that will assist you daily. Be sure to click on Save to keep your new entries or edits. If you need additional appointment states, return to the previous screen. If any new RO statuses are required, go to Setup, Standard Descriptions, and select the Status tab to work on them. A Status Map Access button is also included there for your convenience.